All right. So here, twice a number when decreased by 7 gives 45. Twice a number, let the number be x. Let the number be x. So twice a number, 2 into x, 2x, decreased by 7, minus 7, gives equal to 45. Correct? Correct, children? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, see if you got this answer. Therefore, the number is 26. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, next one. Twice a number. So let the number be x. Let the number be, say, y. Thrice a number. So 3 into y, 3y. When increased by 5 plus 5 gives equal to 44. Find the number. So 3y is equal to 44 minus 5. 3y is equal to 39. Y is equal to 39 by 3. Y is equal to 13. Therefore, the number is 13. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Dania and Panavam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it. Four added to twice a number. Let the number be x. 4 added to. 4 is added to something. So there is already something. 4 is added to that. 4 added to something, right? So you need to write that something first. Because 4 is added to something which already is there. Okay, so what is that? 4 added to twice a number. So 2x. 2x plus 2. It's not 4 plus 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 4 yields, meaning gives, yields, gives, yields 26 by 5. Okay, let's write this again. Let the number be x. X 4 added to twice x gives, yields 26 by 5. So 2x is equal to 26 by 5 minus 4. 2x is equal to LCM. So 4 means 4 by 1. Sorry?
20.
Okay, so 5 is the common denominator. So it's 5 into 1 into 1 into 5 into 5. All right. So 26 minus 20. So 2x is equal to 6 by 5. X is equal to 6 by 5. Now this is into 2. It goes to the other side for division. It's divided by 2. So you can write it like this. It's 2 into x. 2 into x. So 2 goes to the other side for division. So 6 by 5, x is equal to 6 by 5 divided by 2. So x is equal to 6 by 5 into 1 by 2. Division, change that to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the next number. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So x is equal to, you can simplify, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. X is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, the number or the fraction is okay. So find the fraction. So you can say let the fraction be. Let the fraction be. Let the fraction be x. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. Next one. A number when added to its half gives 72. Half is different from its half. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have doubt. I have the third question I've done in the other way, ma'am.
Yeah. You share your answer on WhatsApp. I'll just go through and get back to you on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can share your image on WhatsApp. After the class, I'll see the answer and I'll reply on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. It's just that you've done in another method, right?
Yes, ma'am. But
Or
the
you
answer.
have a doubt. Are you getting the same answer, 3 by 5?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. A number when added to its half. So if the number is x, its half is x by 2. See, if the number is 100, its half is 100 by 2, 50. Half is different. Half is half. Its half. Its half is not half. Okay. A number when added to, not when added to half. When added to half meaning this half, 1 by 2. When added to its half, what is half of that number? If the number is 50, then its half is 50 by 2. So here if the number is x, its half is x by 2. So let the number be x. So a number when added to its half. So the number is added to its half, meaning half is already there. Half of the number is already there. This number is added to its half. And the result is 72. What is after 2? After 2, it's half. That you should write first. A number is added to something, right? That something should be written first. A number is x. That's added to something. What is that something? X by 2. Write that first. Right? X by 2. Yeah, it's, see, because addition is commutative, x plus x by 2 also, you will get the same answer. But the understanding, you write it in the order, the information is given in the question, or whatever however you, meaning interpret the information in the correct way and write the equation in the same way. Though x plus x by 2 and x by 2 plus x does not make a difference with the answer, it's still nice when you write like this because it means you've understood the question correctly. So let the number be x. A number is added to something. So the number is x. This one is added to what? It's half. Its half is x by 2. Gives 72. Now, don't transpose because both are x terms. On the left hand side, both are x terms. So you should not transpose now. So take the LCM. X means x by 1. 2 is the common denominator. So 2 into 1 into 1. Right? X plus this is into 2 into 2 because x is x by 1. The LCM is 2. So 1 into 2, x into 2, which is 2x, is equal to 72. So 3x by 2 is equal to 72. Now what is 3x by 2? It's like 3 by 2 into x is equal to 72. So you can remember like this. A fraction, when it's multiplication, a fraction will become its reciprocal on the other side. See, I'll tell you, I'll just write and tell you. X is equal to 72 divided by 3 by 2. Because it's into 3 by 2 here, on the other side divided by 3 by 2. So x is equal to 72 into 2 by 3. Now I'm saying from this step, you can write this step straight away. You remember like this, a fraction, if it's a multiplication, it'll become its reciprocal on the other side. Here it is into 3 by 2. It will become into 2 by 3 on the other side. You can write this step directly without showing this step. See, if a fraction is an addition, just a minute. If it's like this, If it's like this, it will not become its reciprocal. 3 by 2 plus x is equal to 72. 3 by 2 will not become its reciprocal on the other side. This will be x is equal to 72. This is the operation connecting 3 by 2 and x is addition. So opposite operation. So 3 by 2 is what? Positive 3 by 2. So it will become minus 3 by 2 on the other side. Or if this was minus here, so the operation connecting these two is minus. Whenever it's plus or minus, this number when you transpose, what's the sign it carries? Plus. So it will become minus 3 by 2 on the other side. See, 3 by 2 carries a plus sign. And the relation between these two terms, minus, subtraction. Okay, so this plus 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 carries a plus sign. It goes to the other side as minus 3 by 2. So this is different from this. Here it is 3 by 2 into x. So here this fraction 3 by 2 becomes its reciprocal on the other side into 2 by 3. So I'm saying you can write this step straight away without having to show this step. Cancel. X is equal to 3 ones are 24 times. X is equal to 48. Therefore, the number is 48. Yes, Ovia?
I did it in another way now. Like I cross multiplied 2 to the other side.
Yeah.
First I multiplied 72
Yeah.
and then I
Divide by 3. Perfect. Yes. A number added to its 2/3 is equal to 55. A number added to its 2/3. So let the number be x. It's 2/3. It's 2/3 is equal to 2 by 3 into x or 2x by 3. It's 2/3. Just a second, children. Yeah, actually. It's 2/3. So 2/3 of x, 2x by 3. So a number is added to something. It's added to what? So added to 2/3 of x. So 2x by 3. Whatever is after 2, you write that first. After 2, we have, after this 2, we have, it's 2/3. Write that first. Is equal to 55. So tell me, how do we take the common denominator here? Yeah, 3. Then, so it will be into 1. And here into 3. Correct. So we have another way of, proceeding after this. Listen, online children, what you can also do is you can cross multiply this over here, okay? So you can cross multiply. So how does that work? See here, 5x is equal to 3 into 55. Like this. 5x is equal to 3 into 55. Cross multiplying. Write this neatly. We have 5x by 3 is equal to 55, right? So cross multiplication like this. So 5x is equal to 3 into 55. Then in the next step, x is equal to 3 into 55 divided by 5. You can also do it like this. See, either you can bring 5 by 3 to the other side as 3 by 5. Because the operation between 5 by 3 and x is multiplication. The operation connecting, you're separating x and 5 by 3. The operation connecting them is multiplication. So here the opposite operations are multiplication, division. If it is multiplication, division, division, multiplication. So either you can take 5 by 3 to the other side as 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Fraction becomes its reciprocal on the other side. Or you can also do it like this, cross multiply, take 3, so it will be 5x is equal to 3 into 55, and then bring 5 for division, 3 into 55 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 11s are, x is equal to 33. Therefore, the number is 33. A number when multiplied by 4 exceeds itself by 45. Exceeds means is more than. Exceeds means is more than. Exceeds is more than. So a number when multiplied by 4 is more than itself by 45. So let the number be x. Okay. So multiplied by 4 meaning 4x. So 4x is 4 times the number and x is the number. Now this is greater. And this number is greater than this number by 45. So which means 4x minus x is equal to 45. The difference between them is 45. This is the number. This is 4 times the number. Now this is greater. This is greater by how much? By 45. So how do you express that? If this number is greater than this one, is more than, this number is more than this number by 45. So how do you express that? 4x, the difference between the two numbers is 45. The difference between them is 45. So 4x minus x is equal to 45. Exceeds means is more than. Is more than basically suggests the difference between the two quantities. So 4x minus x is equal to 45. 3x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 by 3. X is equal to 15. Therefore, the number is 15. Yeah, any questions here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. A number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. A number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. Now, I'll just take another example. I'll just take an example to explain this. So now, say 185 and 115. Now, 100 is as much greater than 85 as it is less than 115. Okay, let me write it here. 100 is as much greater than 85 as it is less than 150. That means the difference between these two is 15. The difference between these two is 15. 100 is greater than 85. 100 is greater than 85, but 100 is less than 115. 100, we are talking about the number 100. Now 100 is greater than 85, but 100 is less than 115. Now the difference between 100 and 85 is 15. 100 is 15 more. On the other hand, 100 is less than 115. And 100 is 15 less than 115. So you get the same number in both the cases, right? 15 is the number. It's just that here it is 50, 100 is 15 more. Here 100 is 15 less. Here 100 is 15 more. Here 100 is 15 less. So 100 is as much greater than 85 as it is less than 150. That means the difference is the same. By whatever number 100 is greater than 85, by the same number it is less than 115. By whatever number 100 is greater than 85, by the same number 100 is less than 115. So now how do you make an equation using these three numbers? See here, 100 minus 85 is equal to 115 minus 100. So you can just refer to this example always when you revise this question and answer. So the equation is 100 minus 85, 15, is equal to 115 minus 100, which is also 15. So this is an equation, right? Because on both the sides we have the same answer, 15. So let the number be x. So a number is as much greater than 21. So I'll just write it like this. So 21, x and 71 children. Okay, now tell me the equation. Like 85, 100 and 115.
X
Not
minus
plus.
21 is equal to 71 plus 8.
71 minus or plus?
Minus x.
Yeah. So this is completely a new way of expressing. Okay, so it might look like it's difficult to understand, but you just have to visit this answer a few times. Then it will become familiar and easy to understand, meaning easy to remember. Yeah. So now get all the x on one side. So minus x travels to the left hand side as plus x is equal to 71 plus 21. So 2x is equal to 92. X is equal to 92 by 2. X is equal to 46. Therefore, the number is 46. Now you can just check 21, 46, 71. Find the difference between these two. How much is it? 25. And between these two, 25. So how many sums have you tried, children?
7 sums, ma'am. 7 sums, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay, I'll just give you 10 minutes. Try 8 and 9. I'll come back. Come back in 10 minutes. Try 8 and 9. If you finish, just call out to me. I'll come back. Yeah. Try the seventh one. Finish the seventh. Oh, 8 and 9 I said, right? Yeah, eighth one. Finish the eighth one. Okay. No problem. Danya and Pranava. Am I audible? Danya and Pranava.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So eighth one. 2/3 of a number is less than the original number. So there are two things here. 2/3 of the number and original number. Okay. 2/3 of the number and original number. 2/3 of the number is less than the original number by 20. So let the original number be x. 2/3 of the number is equal to 2 by 3 into x, which is 2x by 3. Now, between x and 2x by 3, this is greater. This is smaller. Because see, it's given 2/3 of a number is less. 2/3 of a number is less. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, both are the same, darling. Number, original number, both refer to that one number only. No. 2/3 of a number is less than because 2/3 of the number is less than the. Okay, so not to get confused, that number and original number, they're talking about that one number only. Okay. So x is greater, right? 2x by 3 is smaller because 2/3 of a number is less than the original number by 20. So 2x by 3 is smaller. This is greater. So how do you and greater this one is smaller than this one by how much? 20. That means the difference is 20. So the greater number minus the smaller number is equal to 20. Less than, more than, exceeds. For all this to construct the equation, it is the greater one minus the smaller one is equal to that difference. Whenever you see the words less than, more than, exceeds, is less than, is more than, exceeds, for all these words, if you find these, words or phrases in the question, the equation you construct will be of the form greater number minus smaller number is equal to the difference. So here the greater number is x, the smaller number is 2x by 3 minus is equal to the difference 20. A number is 2 by 5 times another number. A number is 2 by 5 times another number. If their sum is not sums, if their sum is 70, find the numbers. Correct? A number is 2 by 5 times another number. So in this question, it's about two numbers. So let one number be x. So the other number is 2 by 5 times. So 2 by 5 into that first number, x. So 2x by 5. So the two numbers are x and 2x by 5. And their sum is 70. So if you add the two numbers, the answer or the result is 70. Right? 2/3 of a number is greater than 1/3 of the number by 3. Is greater than, is less than, is more than. All this, for all this, to construct the equation, it is the bigger number minus the smaller number is equal to the difference. So let the number be x. 2/3 Now 2/3 of the number is greater. This is big, which means this is small. So the bigger value minus the smaller value is equal to the difference, 3. So already the denominators are the same. So 2x minus x by 3 is equal to 3. 2x minus x is x. X by 3 is equal to 3. Cross multiply. X is equal to 3 into 3. X is 9. X is equal to 3 into 3. X is equal to 9. Therefore, the number is 9. Okay. The fifth part of a number, when increased by 5, equals its fourth part decreased by 5. Listen. So let the number be x. Fifth part of a number. Fifth part of a number increased by 5. Increased by 5. Okay, so how do we write the expression for this? Fifth part of a number means x by 5. Fifth part of the number. 5 times a number is 5 into x, 5x. Fifth part of a number is x by 5. Sixth part of a number, x by 6. 10th part of a number, x by 10. So fifth part of a number, x by 5, increased by 5, so plus 5. Then we have fourth part. Fourth part of a number decreased by 5. Decreased by 5. So this is fourth part is x by 4, decreased by 5. Now these two are equal. It's given. The fifth part of a number when increased by 5 equals for its fourth part decreased by 5. So these two expressions are equal. So the equation is x by 5 plus 5 is equal to x by 4 minus 5. Yeah, solve this. I'll come back. Yeah, next step. X by 5.
Minus x by 4
Minus x by 4. Yeah.
equal to minus 5 minus
Minus 5 minus 5. Correct. LCM 20
20
into
4x
into 4 into 5 into 5. So 4x minus 5x is equal to minus.
x
No, darling, here minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. So 4x minus 5x is minus x by 20 is equal to minus 10. Oh, you've gone wrong, is it? Ah, okay. Now minus on either side gets cancelled. Cross multiply. You can cancel the minus on both the sides, cross multiply. So we have x is equal to 20 into 10 or 10 into 20. X is equal to 200. Therefore, the number is 200. All right? Online children, please ask me. See, if you have any question, I'm not clear, you have a doubt, I can repeat it. Please ask me. Okay, next one. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 63. So before we understand how to assume, consecutive numbers, we'll just take an example. Consider these numbers 25, 26, 27, 28. So these are four consecutive natural numbers. These are four consecutive natural numbers. Now, if you take 25 as x, then what is 26? It's 25 plus 1 or x plus 1. What is 27? It's 25 plus 2. See, this is plus 1. 25 plus 2, right? 25 plus 3. So if you take 25 as x, then 26 is x plus 1, 27 is x plus 2, and 28 is x plus 3. Because what is x? X is that first number here, 25. X is that first number, 25. So from your 25, how do you get 26? 25 plus 1. So x plus 1. From 25, how do you get 27? 25 plus 2. X plus 2. And from 25, how do you get 28? 25 plus 3. X plus 3. So this is how we assume consecutive natural numbers. So if you want to assume 5 consecutive natural numbers, then you should say, let the numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Yeah, x plus 4. If you want to assume 5, consecutive natural numbers, then you must say, let the numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4. But here it is, find two consecutive natural numbers. So let the two numbers be x and x plus 1. Let the two consecutive meaning numbers that come one after the other. After 25, 26. After 26, 27. After 27, 28. Consecutive numbers are numbers that come one after the other. Let the two consecutive natural numbers be x and x plus 1. Yeah. So this is the assumption. So what's the equation?
x plus 1
Is equal to
60.
Yeah. The sum of the two numbers, x plus x plus 1 is equal to 63. The sum, whose sum is 63. So the sum of the two numbers is 63. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 63. 2x is equal to 63 minus 1. 2x is equal to 62. X is equal to 62 by 2. X is equal to 31. Therefore, one number is 31. Other number is equal to 31 plus 1, which is 32. So the two numbers are 31 and 32. Done, children? Completed? Not getting any answer from the online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find two consecutive positive odd integers. Positive is, you understand, positive. That is more than 0. Positive meaning more than 0. So two consecutive meaning that come one after the other. Consecutive, positive, that means more than 0. Odd integers. Now see here, 37, 39, 41. These are three consecutive positive odd integers. Which is the odd integer that comes after 37, 39. The odd integer after 39, 41. The natural number after 37 is 38. The natural number after 38 is 39. No, here it's not about natural numbers. It's about odd numbers. It's about odd numbers. So the odd number that comes after 37 is 39. The odd number that comes after 39 is 41. The odd number that comes after 41 is 43 and so on. So if you call 37 as x, now from 37, how do you get 39? 37 plus 2. 37 plus 2. So x plus 2. And from 37, how will you get 41? 37 plus 4. X plus 4. Here, 37, 39, 41, 43. So if this is x, now this is 37, right? What is this? 37 plus 2. This is 37 plus 4. And this is 37 plus 6. So this 37 is x. So then this is x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Now let's say 53, 55, 57, 59. Now this is 53. This is 53 plus 2. This is 53 plus 4. And this is 53 plus 6. So if you take 53 as x, then 55 is x plus 2. This one is x plus 4. And this one is x plus 6. So four consecutive positive odd integers, or simply four consecutive odd integers, odd numbers, are x, x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. But here we have to assume only 2. So let the two consecutive odd numbers or odd integers be x and x plus 2. And then sum is 76. So x plus 2 is equal to 76. 2x plus 2 is equal to 76. 2x is equal to 76 minus 2. 2x is equal to 74. X is equal to 74 by 2. X is equal to 37. Therefore, one number is 37. Other number is 37 plus 2, because x plus 2. X is one number, that is 37. And x plus 2 is the other number. So 37 plus 2, 39. 39. Yeah. The same assumption holds good for even numbers also. Now let's consider 62, 64, 66, 68. So these are four consecutive even numbers. Consecutive are numbers that come one after the other. Positive means greater than 0. Even, we understand what even means. Integers, that also we understand what it means. So here 62, 64, 66, 68 are four consecutive positive even integers. So this is 62. This is 62 plus 2, 64. This is 62 plus 4, 66. And this is 62 plus 6, 60. So if 62 is x, if this is called x, then this is x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Let the three consecutive positive even integers be x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. Their sum is 90. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 90. Solve this and find the numbers. I'll come back. Okay. So we have x plus x plus x, 3x. 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 90. 3x is equal to 90 minus 6. 3x is equal to 84. X is equal to 84 divided by 3. X is equal to 28. Correct? Therefore, the numbers are, therefore, one number or the first number or you can say therefore the numbers are x equal to 28, x plus 2 equal to 28 plus 2, 30, and x plus 4, 28 plus 4, 32. The numbers are 28, 30, and 32. You add 28, 30, and 32, you get 92. Divide 184. Okay, I'm sorry. You finished? Complete and let me know, online children.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Divide 184 into two parts such that 1/3 of one part may exceed 1/7 of the other part by 8. So please watch. I'll not talk much. As I write, just try to understand. Yeah.
Questions, ma'am, so I can go.
Yeah, I've already shared.
The questions.
Yeah, I've already shared on WhatsApp. It's already there. Yeah. So now children, supposing you have 50 rupees. Okay. And you want to divide that into two parts. Two parts is not two equal parts. Okay. So if say one part is 10, what is the other part? 50 minus 10, right? Or let me work it like this for you. Let one part be x. What is one part plus other part equal to? What is one part plus other part equal to, children? Yeah. And how much is that?
184.
Yeah. 184. Let one part be x. Now the total is 184. You'll have to divide 184 into two parts. So let one part be x. And we know that one part plus other part should be equal to 184. So one part is x plus other part is equal to 184. So the other part is equal to 184 minus x. This is the other part. One part is x, the other part is 184 minus x. Now 1/3 of one part, 1/3 of one part is equal to 1/3, meaning 1/3 of one part x. 1/3 of one part, 1/3 is 1/3. Of means into. One part is x, so this is x by 3. Now 1/7 of the other part, 1/7 of the other part is equal to 1/7 means 1/7, of means into, and 1/7 of the other part. The other part is 184 minus x. 1/3 of one part is 1/3 is 1/3, of is into, one part is x, so x by 3. 1/7, 1/7, of means into. The other part is 184 minus x. Okay. Now what's given? 1/3 of one part may exceed. So this is more than 1/7 of the other part by 8. 1/3 of one part is more than 1/7 of the other part by 8. So I've told you whenever it is exceeds, is more than, is less than. How do you construct the equation? The bigger value minus the smaller value is equal to the difference. Okay, the difference is 8 here. The difference is 8. And the greater part is 1/3 of one part. See, this is greater. It's given. This is big. 1/3 of one part may exceed. 1/3 of one part is more than. So this is big. So this is small. So how do you construct the equation? The bigger value minus the smaller value is equal to the difference, which is 8. So the big one is x by 3 minus the smaller one is is 184 minus x by 7. And the difference is 8. Yeah, solve this. Yeah, solve this equation and tell me the answer. Yeah, what's the value of x, Dania?
Ma'am, I'm doing
Bye. You don't know how to solve?
Ma'am, it's confusing.
Okay, you tell me. Okay. Till here, it's clear, Danya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the LCM of 3 and 7?
21.
21. So 3 into
7.
and 7 into
3, ma'am.
okay. So now x into 7 is 7x minus 184 minus x into 3. So how do you write that? 3 into 184 minus x like this. See, if it's like x into 7, you can write the product straight away, 7x. But here there are two terms, no, 184 minus x. Both of them have to be multiplied by 3. So how do you write that? Minus 3, open bracket, 184 minus x, close bracket. 3 into 184 minus x is equal to 8. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next 7x minus 3 into 184. Minus into plus minus. 4 3 is 12, 1 carried over. 24, 25, 2 carried over. Is it 552? Okay. Then minus 3 into minus x. Minus 3 into minus x. Minus into minus plus 3 into x is 3x. Divided by 21 is equal to 8. Now 7x plus 3x is 10x. 7x plus 3x is 10x. Minus 552 by 21 is equal to 8. Now you can cross multiply. So you have 10x minus 552 is equal to 21 into 8. So 10x minus 552 is equal to 168. Now this minus 552 has to go to the other side. Plus 552. So 10x is equal to 168 plus 552. 10x is equal to 0, 1 carried over. 6, 12, 2, 1 carried over. 720. Correct? Yes. So x is equal to 720 by 10. X is equal to 72. What's the question? Divide this in two parts so that, yeah. So this x is one part. One part is 72. Therefore, one part is equal to 72. Other part is equal to 184. See here? Yeah, see other part, we have the assumption here, 184 minus x. 184 minus x. You can write it below, or you can write it here also, is equal to 184 minus 72. How much is that?
112, ma'am.
112. Very good. So one part is 72 and the other part is 112. Finished? Yeah, try the 17th one. And
Now we should do the 16th one.
oh, okay. Yeah, 16, sorry. Please work this one, children. Yeah, please work, children. Just a minute, children. Okay. So we've seen a similar question earlier. We've understood that to find the value of money, we need to multiply the denomination and the number of notes or number of coins. For example, if the denomination is rupees 10 and the number of coins or the number of notes, okay, the number of 10 rupee coins or 10 rupee notes you have is 5. So then what's the value of money? 10 into 5, 50 rupees. Rupees 10 is the denomination. 5 is the number of 10 rupee coins or 10 rupee notes. So when you multiply 10 and 5, what is 10? Denomination. What is 5? The number of coins, the number of 10 rupee coins. So when you multiply 10 and 5, denomination and the number of coins, you get the value of money. 10 into 5, 50 rupees you have. 50 rupees. All right. So that's what it is here. So let's start with the assumption. So here we have two denominations, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So let the number of 5 rupee notes be X. So what will be the number of 10 rupee notes? So write this equation. Number of 5 rupee notes plus number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 90 because it's given. If the total number of notes is 90, if the total number of notes is 90, so that means the number of 5 rupee notes plus the number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 90. But we have taken the number of 5 rupee notes as X. So X plus number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 90. So when you transpose, you get number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 90 minus X. Okay, so far what do we have? We only have the number of 5 rupee notes X and the number of 10 rupee notes 90 minus X. X is the number of 5 rupee notes. 90 minus x is the number of 10 rupee notes. Now coming to the value. What will be the value of all the 5 rupee notes? To find value, it is denomination into number of notes. So denomination 5, number of notes x. So 5x is the value of all the 5 rupee notes. What's the value of all the 10 rupee notes? Denomination 10 into the number of notes, 90 minus x. So how do you multiply this? 10 into 90, 900. 10 into minus x, minus 10x. Now comes the equation. What's the total value of money? 500 rupees. Total value of money is 500. So what makes the total value of money? Value of all the 5 rupee notes plus the value of all 10 rupee notes is equal to 500. What's the value of all 5 rupee notes? 5x. What's the value of all 10 rupee notes? 900 minus 10x. So 5x plus 900 minus 10x. The value of all 5 rupee notes plus the value of all 10 rupee notes is equal to 500. Now we need to solve this equation. Okay, 5x minus 10x is minus 5x plus 900 is equal to 500. Transpose 900 minus 900, so minus 400. Minus gets cancelled on both sides. X is equal to 400 by 5, 80 rupees. Sorry, 80. 80. X is 80. So what is X? X is the number of 5 rupee notes. X is the number of 5 rupee notes, which is 80. And what's the number of 10 rupee notes? 90 minus X. Number of 10 rupee notes is 90 minus X. So 90 minus 80, 10. So the question is to find the number of notes of each type. So number of 5 rupee notes is 80 and the number of 10 rupee notes is 10. So how many 5 rupee notes you have? 80. 80 5 rupee notes you have. So 80 into 5, 400 rupees. How many 10 rupee notes? 10 rupee notes. So how much money you have from the 10 rupee notes? 100. So what's the total value of money? 500. Yeah, please ask me anywhere if I'm not clear or you have to clarify something. Yeah, children? Ranava and Dania online. Any questions?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So I've shared all the notes of today's on WhatsApp. If you have not completed, you can make use of the images and complete. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, do we